एक बार त्रेता युग माही, शंभु गए कुंभज ऋषि पाही. Once Lord Shiv desired to relish the Ram Katha ras. So accompanied by Sati, he went to the ashram of Agastya Rishi. Agastya Rishi saw that the Lord has come. He welcomed Shiv and Sati. So Shiv was pleased with the Rishi's devotion. However, Sati used her buddhi. We are coming to listen to Katha from him, and he is doing our puja. What a Bhondu Bhat he is. So Sati used her buddhi there. Now Shiv requested Agastya that I wish to hear the Ram Katha. So Agastya said, Maharaj, if it is your wish, I will relate it to you. So Agastya related the whole Katha to Shiv. And Sati was also sitting there. But Sati's mentality had gotten corrupted. In her mind was the doubt, look, what Katha will he tell us? What does he know? He was doing our puja a little while ago. So she did not listen with faith. At the end of the Katha, Shiv was pleased. And he said, Maharaj, what dakshina can we offer to you? Agastya said, Maharaj, what dakshina can I take from you? If you so wish, you please explain Bhakti Tattva to me. So Shiv explained Bhakti Tattva to Agastya and blessed him with Bhakti. And then Shiv and Sati, they passed by in the forest. Now this coincided with the time when Ram was in the forest. So Ram had gone for his Vanvas. And in the Vanvas, the Sita Haran had taken place. So subsequent to the Sita Haran, Ram and Lakshman were going. And Ram was yearning, where has Sita gone? Ram's yearning was absolutely supernormal. Now if somebody's family member gets lost, they go and report to the police, announce on television. But nobody goes and asks a tree, Mr. Tree, have you seen my child running from here? But Ram is experiencing such pangs of separation from Sita. He is asking the trees and the animals, Hey Khaga Mriga, Hey Madhukar Shreni, Tum dekhi Sita Mriga Naini, Lachiman samujhaye bahubhanti, Puchat chale lata tarupanti, Ehi vidhi khojat Vilapat Swami, Manahu Maha Virahi Ati Kami. Like a very desirous man searches for his wife, Ram was in that situation. He has completely lost his senses. He is asking the trees and he is asking the creepers, where is my Sita gone? Lakshman tries to explain, but Ram doesn't understand. In this situation, Shiv and Sati saw Ram. So Shiv offered his pranam and said, He Satchidanand Parabrahma Prabhu, what a leela you are doing. So Shiv understood my Lord is doing a leela. When he hides his almightiness, that is the leela. So my Lord is doing a leela. Now supposing your neighbor says that, look, I am participating in a drama. You come and listen to it, see it. And you go there, and in the drama that person is acting like a crook. So you will not stand up from the audience what kind of acting you are doing. You will just stand and watch. So Shiv is watching the leela of my Prabhu. But Sati's buddhi was already corrupted. Sati started thinking, what kind of Bhagavan is he? So she said, Kabahu yoga viyoga na jage dekha prakata virah dukha tage. Bhagavan is he who never suffers yog or viyog. Because God is everywhere. How can you have viyog from God? But Tulsidas says you can't even have yog. Why yog? Because day happens when there was night. And if there was no night, there will be no day as well. So in the sun, it is Nitya Din. In the same way, Bhagavan has Nitya Yoga with all living entities. But the same Ram is suffering Viyoga from his wife. So Sati said, what kind of Bhagavan is he? But then she thought, my husband has done pranam. Shambhu gira, uni mrisha na hoi, Shiva sarvagya jana sab koi. So he must be Bhagavan. But Bhagavan is not like this. Bhagavan is sarvagya, all-knowing. And he doesn't even know where his wife has gone. So Shiv said, look, Sati, you do what you want. I am telling you he is Bhagavan. Shiv left, thinking, Hoi hai soi, jo Ram rachi rakha, ko kari tarka bada vahi sakha. Whatever Ram wants, that is what is going to happen. So Shiv went off and he said, be careful how you behave. But Sati's buddhi was affected. She said, all right, let me take a test and I will find out whether he is Bhagavan or he is not Bhagavan. So Sati, by her Maya, she took on the form of Sita herself and she sat down there. That if he is God, he will come to know. And if he is not God, he will say, oh, this is where you were, we were looking for you. And Lakshman will say, Arey Bhabiji, we found you. So it will be great fun. So now, Rama, he was saying, Ha Site, Ha Site. And he saw Sati in the form of Sita. So he just ignored her and said, Ha Site, Ha Site. Sati thought maybe he did not see me. So again she went and sat down in front. The Ram is coming, Ha Site, Ha Site. And then he sees Sati in the form of Sita. He became extremely serious. Mother, you are sitting here? Where is my father? Sati kapatu janeu sur swami sab darsi sab antarayami. Bhagavan is Sarvagya. For Sarvagya, what is the problem in knowing whether this is Sati or Sita? Sumerat jahi mitaiya jnana so Sarvagya Ramu Bhagavana. He is Sarvagya. He knows everything. So in his Leela, Ram worships Shiv as his Ishtadev. He worshipped him in Rameshwaram. So because Shiv is his Ishtadev, so Sati is his mother. So he is addressed Sati as mother. Mother, you are here. Where is my father? Sati said, oh, he has recognized me. She ran from there. And when she ran, wherever she looked, she saw Ram, Lakshman and Sita. He looked here, there they are. And Devatas are doing the puja. And she looked there they are. She realized that he is Bhagavan. Out there, Shiv came to know what has happened. Sati came to Shiv. Shiv said, Sati, did you take a pariksha? Did you take a test of my Ishtadev? Sati said a white lie. Kachuna pariksha, leena gosai, कीन्ह परिणाम तुम्हारी ही नाई Just like you did pranam, true copy, I also did pranam. जो तुम कहा सो मृषा न होई, मोरे मन पर तीति अति सोई. What you said, how can it ever be lies? So Shiv decided that she took on the form of my mother Sita. Because in the Leela, Shiva worships Ram. He sees Ram as his Ishdev and he takes the Ram Naam. From that point of view, Sita is Shiv's mother. He says, my wife has taken on the form of my mother. Now I cannot accept her as my wife any longer. So mentally he rejected Sati. He said, come along. Sati realized something wrong has happened. They went all the way back to Kailash. Now ideally Sati should sit by the side. Shiv said, sit in front. The Sati understood the problem has happened. So Shiv, he tried to reduce her tension by speaking mild things. But Sati realized that a big problem has taken place.